Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put gamma lids on. First, ensure your 5-gallon bucket is clean and dry. Gamma lids are a two-part system, consisting of a ring and a screw-on lid. The ring needs to be securely attached to the bucket's rim. This method makes accessing your stored items much simpler than traditional snap-on lids, providing an excellent seal for various storage needs. Before attaching the gamma lid, take a moment to prepare your bucket. Make sure the rim is free from any dirt or damage, as this can compromise the seal. Place the large, flat ring component of the gamma lid directly onto the bucket's top edge. It should sit flush and centered. This initial alignment is crucial for a successful and secure fit, preventing any future leaks or air exposure. Now let's secure the gamma ring to the bucket. Start by pressing down firmly on one side of the ring, then work your way around. You can use a rubber mallet for gentle taps, or simply the heel of your hand. The goal is to seat the ring completely onto the bucket's lip. You should hear a series of clicks as it locks into position, ensuring a tight, permanent attachment for the base of your new lid. With the gamma ring firmly in place, it's time for the final step, attaching the screw-on lid. This is the part you'll interact with regularly. Simply place the screw-on lid onto the secured ring, aligning the threads. Turn the lid clockwise until it feels snug. Do not over-tighten, but ensure it's tight enough to create an airtight and watertight seal. Your bucket is now ready for secure, easy-access storage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.